ọ̀rọ̀ ti wá dójú ẹ̀ báyìí. Eléyìí tí à ń wò yìí la bá máa pè ní Kosele Rí Protest. Nígbà tó jẹ́ pé gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Amẹ́ríkà látòkè délẹ̀ wọ́n gbé àkọlé lọ́wọ́ pé no king protest. Gbogbo wọn náà ń pariwo wípé òpùrọ́ ni Donald Trump. Irọ́ ló pa fáwọn ńgbà tó fi campaign. N tó sọ ni pé tóun bá dé orí ẹ̀ kò ní sí ogun mọ́ rárá. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ owó tí àwọn ń lò láti fi ja ogun káàkiri ó tó láti fi tún ìlú Amẹ́ríkà ṣe. Èyí tó campaign nìyí tó jẹ́ káwọn dìbò fún àṣẹ irọ́ ló ń pa. Gbogbo tí wọ́n ń sọ fáwọn pé àwọn ń torí ẹ̀ kó ogun lọ jà wọ́n, àwọn padà rí i pé gbogbo ẹ̀ náà irọ́ ní í já sí. Wọ́n dá ogun náà dúró lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀, àwọn ò fi ogun mọ́. Ẹ já wa náà fojú ara wa wò ó ká tẹ́tí sí nǹkan tí gbogbo wọn ń wí. Eléyìí ò ṣẹlẹ̀ rí ni mo fi sọ pé eléyìí la bá pè ní Kosele Rí Protest.
Let us be honest. The American people were lied to about the war in Vietnam. We were lied to about the war in Iraq. And we are being lied to today about the war in Iran. This war must end immediately. In the last election, Donald Trump pointed out correctly the huge amounts of money that had been wasted in wars that should have been spent rebuilding America. He campaigned as a peace candidate, and he promised no more forever wars. He lied. Since this war began, 13 American soldiers have been killed and hundreds have been wounded, including another 12 yesterday. In Iran, nearly 2,000 civilians have been killed and many more wounded, and 498 schools have been bombed by American and Israeli missiles. In Lebanon, more than 1,000 people are dead, and more than 1 million Lebanese people, 15% of their population, have been displaced from their homes. In Israel, 20 people have been killed and over 5,000 wounded. In the West Bank, Israeli vigilantes are burning down homes and killing Palestinians. At a time when gas prices are soaring, when many Americans cannot afford the basic necessities of life, it is estimated that this war has already cost $1 trillion.